a love-hate relationship.
You wouldn't understand.
What happened?
You wouldn't understand.
What happened? What did she do?
She cheated on him.
She's f***ing engine known to mankind, and every one is smoke.
Seriously?
Smoke. The block, brand new. Board, and piston. I mean, it's the works. New bearings and rings. Can't have any issue.
Every swap, bro? Every swap. This car.
Every swap. B16, LS, B20V,
All
LS
smoke.
VTEC.
All smoke. Okay, so what was the first motor?
The first motor was a B20V.
B20 VTEC.
Yep.
Smoke.
Smoke.
You took that out and you put a what?
LSV.
LS VTEC. Smoke.
Smoke.
Then
Carlos's old B16.
That
Smoke.
didn't smoke
Smoke.
when we pulled it out.
Then I put the GSR in it. The same motor that's in it right now. Smoke.
Smoke. We're about to start Chris's car for the first time. He has first time. We're crossing our fingers to see if it just turns on.
Piss oil everywhere, or
And I just want to record his joy when his car starts for the first time and it doesn't make any like.
stop it.
All right.
You try it?
Yeah, give it a shot.
There we go.
Prime it.
And I hate to be a bearer of bad news, but this thing has a rod knock. The class is supposed to be starting in about 30 minutes. They're gonna start calling people up to the lanes.
Supposed to start at 10 o'clock.
Okay, tell us your goal. Tell us your strategy. What are you running?
Today's goal is to sandbag. So y'all know my car runs consistent 1060s, 1080s. So what we did is went ahead and turn it down. Obviously not practical, but just a little bit, just to keep it in that like zone, the 1150 zone. And plus the tech's being really like picky right now, so I don't want to go any faster than I have to, just because I want to try to win the 1150 class. That's my goal today. Not trying to run. I mean, they say if I lose the 1150 class, then I'll hop in the testing tune and I'll try to do my personal best, which is what I want to do is the 1050. I'm really close, so we'll see what happens.
Let's go, Chris. Let's go, baby. White smoke. Let's go, Chris. Don't go too fast. You got it, Chris. Come on, Chris. Don't go faster than 11.5. Come on, Chris. Why y'all taking forever? What's up? What's up? So, bro, what happened?
What do you mean what happened?
No. I mean, like, you guys went like 16, like 50 mile an hour. What happened?
So the goal with the 1150 class is not to go any faster than 1150 and not to he red lit.
Oh, he red lit. Is that why?
Red lit, yeah. So I saw the red light. I was already on the 2-step. My clutch was already. So I did the 60 foot just to get a little data and pretty much just let it off the rest of the way. Cruised it because I didn't want to. You know, I don't need to go.
Yeah, because I was like, why are they slowing down? Like everyone like super slowing down at the end. I was like,
yeah, because I passed him. I just wanted to make sure I passed him at the end, but he like let off. I think something happened maybe.
Okay, okay.
But he's a subscriber. He actually watches our channel.
Shut up.
Yeah. That's probably the guy that's going to be in the finals with, just because I've seen him run all day and his car's been consistent 1150.
You just have to literally be nose to nose with him the whole way.
Exactly, and I got to nose him out at the end, or I got to be really careful because obviously he's going fast. He's going 11.0s, so I got to make sure not to go too fast and see if he'll go too fast.
Dad got them Tyrone Bigham lips. Oh, Chris in the semifinals. He's running against his fast Neon. Let's go, Chris.
That one. I hope he went too fast. I hope he went 11.4. He's been going 11.5s all day. I felt like I was gonna go too fast too, but please don't go too fast. Too fast. I hope he went too fast. I hope he went too fast. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes! Woo! Fuck yeah! Dude, I went 11.5, 63, went 11.4. I knew he went too fast. I thought, dude, oh, so sick. So sick. So sick. We're going on to the next round. Fuck yeah. Woo! So stoked, man. Just that much closer to that freaking trophy. That's all I want. I want to win this. It's my goal today. 11.5, baby. Woo! Good shit, man. Good shit.
Oh! Woo! My man's a winner. Chris, you did something right, baby.
Hey, we're not done yet, baby. We still got 2 more races.
Oh, shoot.
2 more races.
Don't go too fast, Chris!
Whoa.
What?
Okay, hey, that's what I'm talking about,
Let's go!
I got him at the top. So I got him at the top, and then I just babied it, pedaled it, and then at the very top of the track, we crossed the line almost at the same time, but I got him at the top. The question is, did I go too fast? I don't know. I couldn't gauge it, but I'm hoping that I'm right there. It should be a good race. I let him catch me at the top because I know I was going way too fast. My 60 foot was out of this world. Oh, come on, please. This will be the finals. If I get this, this is the finals. Come Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Please. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come on. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come on, please. Please. Tell me good. Give me good news. 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 Yes! 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 Thank you so much. Thank you. Fuck yeah! Woo! I edged them out, baby! Oh my god. I edged them out, dude, at the very top. And I actually went 12s. I went 12 too. Woo! We're going to the finals. We going to the finals, guys. Dude, the index, the guy that just ran before me, or after me, or no, before me, he actually went 12.5 on the money, letting off at the very end, 12.55, and he's been doing that all night. So it's gonna be a race. I'm gonna have to edge him out. Me and him, I think we're gonna go too fast, but we'll find out. But we're going to the finals, baby.
Woo! Finals, baby, 11:50.
Dude, did you see what I did? I left on him, and then I let off in third, and I let off in fourth, and then I seen him coming up on me, and then I smashed on the gas, and I was like, I gotta beat him to the light, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And he was coming around me, and he's right there, actually.
Yeah.
But we're going to the finals, baby.
We going to the finals, baby.
Woo! Dude.
We out here.
But hey, you guys are in top 2.
Dude, me and him.
Oh man.
Is that my competitor over there, bro?
Uh-oh.
Coincidence, right?
What a coincidence, bro.
Uh-oh.
We're calling it and
For
shit.
real, dog. And I know our cars are faster than what they are, you know? And it's hard for us to do it. I seen you last pass, 11:55.
Hey, that's the first time that
11:55. I was like, fuck, this was gonna.
This is final boss right here. Final boss right here.
final boss.
11:05.
Street Fighter, final boss. We're good.
Final boss.
Just
don't get left early, bro.
No, I can't with him. I gotta, me and him are gonna.
Left lane or right lane? I want left.
You want left? Oh, perfect, dog. Hell yeah, I want right. Right. I was telling him in the car, like, I'm gonna jump.
Yeah.
Let me get right lane, because I've been right lane all day.
We're good, gentlemen. We're good, gentlemen.
Birthday to you. It is his birthday.
Oh, it's his birthday?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Chris, you can't let him win, bro.
Birthday guy, man. Shit.
I know it's his birthday and everything. Here we go, guys. White smoke. Final boss on Street Fighter. Let's go, Chris. Let's do this. Make us proud. I know it's the other guy's birthday, but let's win this. Let's do this, Chris. Locomotives, baby. Crucial.
Did we win? Come on, baby. Did we win? Who won that? Oh, who won that? I hope I got him. Oh, what a rush. What a rush. I think I won that shit. I hope I won it. Come on, please. Give me this win, baby. Give me this win. This is all I need. This would be the best year if I win this. After all the problems I had with this car, who won this? Who won? Who won? Come on, please tell me I won. 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 Yes! Oh my god, this is so much. This is like my goal.
Okay, I'll tell you right now, you got lucky because you ran a 61, he ran a 60, but your light was better. That's the only reason why you won.
Oh my god.
Yeah. if you would have cut a worse light than him, it would have been game over. But you won.
Thank you so much. Yeah! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! That's the best feeling ever! Ever! Oh, dude, I won! I was gonna cry. Oh my god, I won! I freaking won! Oh. Let's go! Fuck yeah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, dude!
You outdid yourself, Chris. Hell of a race, bro.
I won that!
You got that shit! Oh my gosh,
And I
bro!
only won because of the reaction.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I only won because of the reaction. Oh shit!
Oh no!
Oh dude! Shit! Oh,
At least it happened after the race.
right? Shit! There we go.
Dude, is that why? Because I was like,
Yeah, I won.
bro!
So crazy.
Give me that look. Ah! IFO winner, baby! IFO winner! That's how we do it. It's how we do it, bro. From
Crazy.
having 6 smoking engines
Dude, this
to
is all
going 10s,
dude.
10s this year.
To winning a class like I won
We
this year.
won an IFO class.
Yeah.
We're getting some money, bro. Let's see
We're
that
actually
check.
getting some
Oh, I want to take a photo with the check on you.
I hope it's a big ass one.
I know, right?
I don't care.
It's the size of a towel, the check.
At the $100 as long as it's the big
Bro, that's so crazy.
I'm getting a trophy too. I'll get
You get a trophy? Bro, you said it. No, you said it. Like, I want a trophy. I want a trophy. I gotta get this night, bro. You can't. Memorable
This is what
night.
I fought all day. This is what I fought for all day. That's all I wanted. I came here.
Calm down, bro. You serious? Oh, you tearing up? No, bro. No, I'm proud, bro. Like,
I told you, dude. We're gonna do it, bro. We did it.
we did it, bro.
All right, who do I
All that stuff, bro.
next?
He's crying, guys. Getting emotional. L-L-L-L-V.
No, you guys
What's up, man? Mike, man. What's up, bro?
I won 11-50.
Time it mattered.
Yeah, the one time.
My juju got you there, bro.
Yeah,
We did it, dog. We did it. We in there.
Hey, teamwork.
Teamwork.
Makes the dream work,